Hi everyone! Today we're going to crochet a beautiful and romantic rose bag. This handmade piece is not only perfect for carrying your daily essentials, but it also makes a sweet gift or fashion accessory for any season. If you love adding floral charm to your style, you'll adore this project. Make sure to grab your 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on more lovely crochet tutorials. Let's get started. For round 1, chain 103. Then, turn your work. Skip 2 chains and make a half double crochet into the next stitch. Continue HDC across the entire row. This forms the base of our bag. Encouragement. Great job. This row sets the foundation, so keep your stitches even. Tip: count your stitches at the end to make sure you haven't missed any. Next, for round 2, chain 6, then skip 2 stitches. In the next stitch, make 1 double crochet and chain 3. Repeat this pattern, DC, H3, across the row. Encouragement: you're doing amazing. These loops will become the soft petals later. Tip: keep your chain 3s consistent in length to help the pattern stay even. Now it's time for round 3, where the rose petals start to bloom. Begin with chain 3, then make 4 double crochets in the next chain space. Repeat that group of 4 double crochets 4 times. Then chain 3 and slip stitch into the base. Slip stitch again to the next space. Then repeat. Chain 3, 3 double crochet, 1 double crochet increase, 3 double crochet, chain 3, slip stitch, and slip stitch again. Do this 5 times. Encouragement: the rose is blossoming beautifully. Just follow the rhythm and enjoy the flow. Tip: take your time with the increases. It helps the rose petals open more naturally. Now for the final decorative round. Start with a slip stitch, then chain 4. Make 4 extended double crochets, 1 more extended double crochet, chain 2, then slip stitch. Next, make 1 extended DC, then 4 extended DC, chain 4, and slip stitch again. Repeat this petal sequence all around. Encouragement. Look how stunning your rose is turning out. Keep going. Each petal brings it to life. Tip: if extended double crochets are new to you, take a moment to practice 1 or 2 slowly. You'll get the hang of it in no time. And there you have it. Your charming crochet rose bag is complete. Whether you use it as a mini tote, a cute gift pouch, or just as a stylish accessory, this piece will definitely brighten your day. If you enjoy this project, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials just like this. I'd love to see your version. Feel free to share it with me. Until next time, happy crocheting!